JC from Leichman. The dual spindle turning and milling combined center is a machine tool that integrates turning, milling, boring, and other processing functions. It has the advantages of high precision, high efficiency, and multifunction. Today, I will introduce our new design, double spindle turn mill machine, LK-200MSY. First, the machine is equipped with the double spindle and the auxiliary tool holder, achieve workpiece rotation, docking for secondary processing, reducing the second clamping time. Second, the machine tool adopts the roll knife type. The tool change precision is stable, the structural economy is high, and the power head can be expanded to realize the turning and milling composite processing. Third, the system adopts Syntax 22TB. It is equipped with dual channel function to achieve simultaneous processing of two spindles, which is exempted from the secondary processing trouble and greatly improves the production efficiency. Transmission part adopts Taiwan high wing or PMI P3 levels 4 screw and adopts the Type 35 linear guide rail to enhance rigidity. More information for the LK-200MSY, please visit our website www.leichman.cc.